Now we have our connector. And of course, we're not going to use the factory connector. It has other pins, wires in there, some sensors. Now, if you really wanted, you could go through and depin all of this, but it's not necessary. For what we're using, we just need power. And when you get into here, you can see there's two wires that are pretty easy to pick out, the black and the red. And these are the only two that we're going to be using because they're the only two that we need to power the seat. So we're going to cut those fairly even. So we're going to put those on our new connector. Everything else is no longer needed. And wiring that we're never going to need again. It's got our positive and our negative. Let's show you what I'm going to use for my new connector. I'll make sure I post a link to all the products that I'm using in today's video, including these wiring connectors, in the description below. Once the females and the male ends of the connectors, that's what we're going to do. And you just want to be cognizant about which side you put the hot ones to when we put this all together. Take our crimpers, and yes, I know they do make better crimpers for this, but we don't have them right now. So we're working with what we got. Now for future reference, the right is going to be our positive. So keep an eye on that. It says you just push these in and they just clip in, all right? And this just kind of has a diagram of how these all go together. And these want the open end facing up towards the connector clip. Snap that up into place. With this connector, this wraps up our wiring for the seat.